Hello. Welcome to Stay Healthy. Are you getting enough protein in your diet? Protein is an essential nutrient that is important for building and repairing tissues in the body, maintaining muscle mass, and supporting a healthy immune system. Protein is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in the growth, maintenance, and repair of body tissues. It is made up of building blocks called amino acids, which are necessary for a wide range of biological functions. Here are some of the key reasons why protein intake is important. Building and repairing body tissues. Protein is needed for the growth and repair of tissues in the body, including muscles, organs, skin, hair, and nails. When you engage in physical activity or experience an injury, your body needs extra protein to repair and rebuild damaged tissues. Supporting immune function. Protein is essential for the production of antibodies, which help your body fight off infections and diseases. A diet that is lacking in protein can weaken your immune system and make you more susceptible to illness. Providing energy. While carbohydrates and fats are the body's primary sources of energy, protein can also be used for energy production when needed. This is especially important during periods of prolonged physical activity or when carbohydrate intake is low. Regulating hormones. Many hormones in the body are made up of amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. Adequate protein intake is necessary for the proper production and function of hormones. Maintaining healthy weight. Protein can help you feel full and satisfied after meals, which can reduce your overall calorie intake and support healthy weight management. Overall, protein is an essential nutrient that plays a vital role in many different aspects of health and well-being. It is important to consume adequate amounts of protein as part of a healthy, balanced diet. If people do not consume enough protein in their daily diet, they may experience a range of negative health effects. Here are some of the most common consequences of protein deficiency. Muscle loss. Protein is essential for the maintenance and repair of muscle tissue. If you do not consume enough protein, your body may start to break down muscle tissue to obtain the amino acids it needs for other functions. This can lead to muscle weakness, fatigue, and loss of lean body mass. Impaired growth and development. Protein is particularly important for children, adolescents, and pregnant women, as it is necessary for growth and development. Protein deficiency during these stages of life can lead to stunted growth, delayed development, and other health problems. Weakened immune system. As mentioned earlier, protein is needed for the production of antibodies, which are essential for immune function. A lack of protein can weaken the immune system and increase the risk of infections and diseases. Nutrient deficiencies. Many protein-rich foods, such as meat, fish, and dairy products, also contain important nutrients like iron, zinc, and vitamin B12. A diet that is low in protein may also be deficient in these nutrients, which can lead to a range of health problems. Edema. Edema is a condition where the body retains excess fluid, leading to swelling in various parts of the body. Protein deficiency can contribute to edema, as protein is necessary for maintaining fluid balance in the body. In summary, inadequate protein intake can lead to a range of negative health effects, including muscle loss, impaired growth and development, weakened immune system, nutrient deficiencies, and edema. It is important to consume enough protein as part of a healthy, balanced diet to support optimal health and well-being. There are many foods that are high in protein, but the exact amount of protein can vary depending on the specific type and preparation method. Here are some of the highest protein foods, ranked by the amount of protein per 100 grams. 1. Spirulina. Spirulina is a blue-green algae that is incredibly nutrient-dense and high in protein, containing 64 grams of protein per 100 grams. It is also a good source of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Spirulina has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, support the immune system, and potentially help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Soybeans. Soybeans are a versatile legume that can be eaten whole or processed into products like tofu and tempeh. They contain 36 grams of protein per 100 grams, along with fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Soybeans are also a rich source of plant compounds called phytoestrogens, which may have beneficial effects on hormone balance and bone health. 3. Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese is a hard, aged cheese that is often used as a flavorful topping for pasta dishes and salads. It contains 35 grams of protein per 100 grams, as well as calcium and other minerals. Parmesan cheese is also a good source of vitamin B12, which is important for nerve function and red blood cell production. 4. Tuna. Tuna is a fatty fish that is rich in protein, containing 30 grams of protein per 100 grams. It is also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce the risk of heart disease and other chronic conditions. 5. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is a lean protein source that is commonly eaten as part of a healthy diet. It contains 31 grams of protein per 100 grams, as well as vitamins and minerals like vitamin B6 and phosphorus. Chicken breast is also a good source of niacin, which is important for energy production and skin health. 6. Lentils. Lentils are a type of legume that are high in both protein and fiber, containing 26 grams of protein per 100 grams. They are also a good source of folate, iron, and other vitamins and minerals. Lentils may help lower cholesterol levels, improve blood sugar control, and promote digestive health. 7. Turkey breast. Turkey breast is another lean protein source that is similar to chicken breast in terms of its nutritional profile. It contains 29 grams of protein per 100 grams, as well as vitamins and minerals like vitamin B12 and selenium. Turkey breast is also a good source of tryptophan, an amino acid that is important for sleep and mood regulation. 8. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a nutritious snack that are high in protein, containing 30 grams of protein per 100 grams. They are also a good source of healthy fats, fiber, and minerals like zinc and magnesium. Pumpkin seeds may help improve heart health, support immune function, and potentially reduce the risk of certain cancers. 9. Fish, salmon, halibut, tilapia. Fish is a lean protein source that is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, with protein contents ranging from 20 to 25 grams per 100 grams depending on the type of fish. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to have numerous health benefits, including reducing inflammation, improving brain function, and potentially reducing the risk of depression and other mental health disorders. 10. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a popular dairy product that is high in protein, containing 10 grams of protein per 100 grams. It is also a good source of calcium and other minerals. Greek yogurt is a great option for a high-protein breakfast or snack, and it may help support digestive health and satiety. It is important to note that protein is just one component of a healthy, balanced diet, and that other nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, and fiber, are also important for overall health and well-being. It is recommended that adults consume at least 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day, but individual protein needs may vary depending on factors like age, sex, and physical activity level. So, as you can see, there are many high-protein foods out there that can help you meet your daily protein needs and enjoy the many benefits of this essential nutrient. Whether you're a vegetarian, a seafood lover, or a meat eater, there are plenty of options to choose from. So, next time you're planning a meal, consider adding some of these highest protein foods to your plate. Body will thank you for it.